Thank you, audience. Thank you for tuning in, Blue Bonnet channel. And today now is a K food wave worldwide. Korean food is very popular all over the world, and you may seen this kind of strange looking. Looks like a sushi, but it's not sushi. We call Gimbab in a Korean style. It could be a snack or it's perfect for the meal. So let me show how to make. If you this is mainly for non-Korean. So if you want to learn a little bit professionally and high level, and this is really famous per person, cook and business person, Baek Jong Won. He has a YouTube channel. He shows like 20 minutes and English subtitle. He shows everything. Okay, so this is the distant information, how to do it. So you can do watch this video. But if you want like a little bit of easy, not easy, like a home style, I'm gonna show you. This is what my wife made. So this is a video. Let me show you here, okay? How to make a kimbap in Korean style, and one of the favorite food like snack, and actually it's good for meal. It's a good for like a picnic food. It's very famous in South Korea, and this. So what you need is a rice. But there's two types of rice. One is like sticky rice, like a Japanese and Korean style, not like Vietnamese. So if you want kimbap, better to find like a Korean rice or Japanese rice. Okay, sticky rice. Or the trips, and it's really handy, convenient, and as you see. What we need is like rice, cooked rice, and the seaweed, the black. In America, people say black pepper, but which is like seaweed. It's a lot of the vitamin, mineral is very good for health. And as you see the ingredient, and many vegetables, spinach, and yellow radish, and fish cake, and eggs, carrots, but it's every version. So fake crab, and some people put like a tuna. Okay, tuna can. You can buy tuna cans from Costco or Asian like a grocery store like a H Mart or somewhere, and you can buy tuna cans and use that as a one of the ingredients. It's different, like regional or your family or traditional styles, or if you buy this kind of food from the restaurants or the store, they have their own format. Like so, as you see, it's a boiled, cooked already, and like a egg also is not raw. This is also fried and cooked. So this is a little bit marinated. Okay, and this is yellow radish is sold in Asian market grocery store. The root, the sweet root, I forgot in Korean the uwong, but I forgot name of the anyway, they sell as a set for kimbap. Okay, you can ask for it. They put more meat or veggie or whatever, but most importantly, as you see, a lot of combination of vegetables. So really good for health, because once you have one meal, but you actually consuming a lot of vegetables and all the good stuff. Yeah, like a Mexican wraps, like enchiladas, and is everything is to be combined into one big giant roll. So that's why I mentioned is very convenient. Okay. Yeah, as you see, put the rice like a flat.
Sorry about this. Okay, yeah.
Flattening on top of the seaweed, and put each pieces of the vegetables ingredient like a one by one next to it. But the thing is, if you're doing this for the first time, and do not make it too fat, because you have to roll after putting all the ingredient on top of the cooked rice. So as you see,
Yeah, don't to put too much on top of the rice, and then make it flat, as I said. Okay.
make it flat, okay, and not too many, like that. And then as you see, with the bamboo,
And yeah, you may want to buy a bamboo roller, um, like a manual roller. Okay, that is sold in an Asian grocery market, like a H Mart. Okay.
roller, you can buy from the store, like a Korean grocery store, and make it round shape, but gradual. Okay, so one by one, make sure it stick together.
So gently squeeze, okay, and little by little, okay.
Okay, see, one by one. But the rice, cooked rice itself, is stick holding the other ingredient together. So by a little bit force into it and make it roll like this, it's like, looks like a sushi roll, but that is we call a kimbap. Okay, and after that, that is sesame oil, and make it more taste better. And after that, and then you can use a knife and make it little pieces.
Yeah,
So
after that, you can use a knife and chop it out little by little, piece by piece, as much as you like, the size as you wish, okay.
that's it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, so this is as I said, that is a little bit of like a home cooking style. But if you want a little bit professional, or more expert level making kimbap, and I'm going to share the link here so that you can learn a little bit more. So once again, I hope you enjoy my channel, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.